The call of the wild answering with confidence. There's something magical about the great outdoors, isn't there? The vast expanse of nature, the twinkling stars above, and the sense of adventure that fills the air. Camping. It's a call to adventure, a chance to reconnect with nature, and a test of your survival skills. Whether you're with friends, family, or on a solo journey, the experience is always unique and rewarding. It's about creating memories, sharing stories around the campfire, and finding peace in the simplicity of nature. But fear not, even the wildest expeditions start with a single step. Every great adventure begins with that initial moment of courage, the decision to step out of your comfort zone and embrace the unknown. It's about taking that first step on the trail, opening your camping gear, and setting up your base for the night. We're going to tackle one of the most important skills, setting up your tent. This is your first line of defense against the elements, your shelter, and your home in the wild. Knowing how to properly set up your tent can make the difference between a comfortable night under the stars and a restless one. Master this, and you're well on your way to conquering the great outdoors. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your tent standing tall, knowing that you have created a safe haven for yourself. It's a skill that brings confidence and a sense of accomplishment. Remember, a well-pitched tent is your sanctuary, your fortress against the elements, your home away from home. It's where you'll find warmth, rest, and protection. So let's get started on this journey together, and soon you'll be answering the call of the wild with confidence and ease. Laying the groundwork. Choosing your campsite. Finding the right spot to set up your tent can make or break your camping experience. It's not just about finding a place to sleep, it's about ensuring comfort, safety, and convenience. Picking the right spot for your tent is crucial. You want to be close to essential resources like water, but not too close to avoid flooding. Consider the proximity to trails and other campers for both convenience and privacy. Look for flat, clear ground. This will help you avoid discomfort and ensure your tent stays stable. A flat surface prevents you from rolling around in your sleep and keeps your gear from sliding. You don't want to sleep on a slope. Sleeping on an incline can lead to restless nights and sore muscles. Always test the ground by lying down before setting up your tent. Check for rocks, roots, or anything that could poke through your tent floor. These can cause discomfort and even damage your tent. Spend a few minutes clearing the area to ensure a smooth surface. Soft ground is best, like grass or sand. Hard-packed dirt works too. Avoid areas with sharp rocks or uneven terrain. The type of ground you choose can affect your comfort and the durability of your tent. Once you've found the perfect spot, clear away any sticks, stones, or pine cones. This not only protects your tent, but also ensures you won't be bothered by lumps and bumps while you sleep. A smooth surface is key for a good night's sleep. Take the time to prepare your campsite properly, and you'll thank yourself later. A well-chosen and prepared campsite can significantly enhance your overall camping experience. Unpacking the essentials. Gear up for success. Every adventurer needs the right tools. Lay out your tent, poles, stakes, and rainfly. Make sure you have everything. Double-check for any missing pieces. It's better to find out now than in the dark. Organize your gear so it's easy to find what you need. Now, take a deep breath, and let's get building. Section 4. Pitching your palace, a step-by-step guide. Setting up a tent can seem daunting, but with a few simple steps, you'll have your shelter ready in no time. First, lay out your tent footprint. This is a crucial step that ensures your tent has a clean and dry base. This footprint acts as a barrier, protecting the bottom of your tent from sharp rocks and moisture that could cause damage or discomfort. Next, assemble the tent poles. These poles are the backbone of your tent, providing the necessary support and structure. Most poles are shock-corded, making them easy to put together. Simply connect the sections and you'll have a sturdy frame in no time. Thread the poles through the tent sleeves or clips. This step can vary depending on your tent model, but the goal is to secure the poles to the tent fabric. Now, stake down the corners of your tent, pulling the fabric taut. This ensures that your tent is stable and won't collapse in windy conditions. This creates the tent structure. You'll start to see your tent take shape as you secure each corner. Insert the remaining stakes, working your way around the tent. Make sure each stake is driven firmly into the ground for maximum stability. Use a hammer or a rock if needed. Sometimes the ground can be tough, and a little extra force is required to secure the stakes. Finally, attach the rainfly for extra protection against the elements. The rainfly is essential for keeping your tent dry during unexpected weather. Congrats, your tent is up. Now you can relax and enjoy your camping experience, knowing you have a secure and comfortable shelter. Section 5. Creating a home away from home inside the tent. Now for the fun part, making it cozy. Lay down a tarp or footprint inside the tent for extra protection. Unroll your sleeping bag and sleeping pad. Use clothes pegs to hang a clothesline for drying damp clothes. If bugs are a problem, hang a mosquito net from the ceiling. A well-organized tent is a happy tent. Section 6. Wildlife wisdom: staying safe in nature's backyard. Remember, we're sharing the wilderness with creatures big and small. Avoid setting up camp near animal trails or water sources. Store your food properly in sealed containers and keep them away from your tent. This prevents unwanted visitors. Always be aware of your surroundings. Respect wildlife, and they'll respect you back. Section 7. Sharing the adventure: your camping expertise. Congratulations, you've mastered the art of tent setup. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you camp, the easier it becomes. Now get out there and explore the great outdoors. And don't forget to share your own camping tips and tricks. Every adventurer has something valuable to offer. Happy camping!